Hello everyone, we're baking a cake for OhCrumbs. You need 2 bowls and we need another bowl.
Okay, and then
And we need 2 of these.
we need the measuring spoons.
And how
Okay.
can we take?
And we need a spatula.
A spatula, and we need
Icing sugar,
icing sugar and
flour,
flour and
sugar, and what else? Coloring
coloring
and baking powder,
and
sprinkles
and
bowls, and what else is there? Oil and milk and eggs and vanilla essence and a pan with cupcakes in and eggs and butter and a mixer. Okay, now we're going to start with the dry ingredients. And we're going to mix the dry ingredients in one bowl. And then we're going to put the wet ingredients in the other bowl. Okay.
We put the other in this bowl and in this bowl.
Okay. So.
And you can't throw things up, okay?
Okay.
And if you throw things up, and the will break and become like a cupcake.
Okay.
Okay? Because you have to look what how we gonna do.
Okay.
We don't throw cupcakes around and we don't throw anything around.
Okay. And we have to put the oven on 180 degrees.
Yeah.
And then we're going to bake the cupcakes for 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
Okay. All right. So let's get started. Okay. So first things first, we do the dry ingredients. We have some baking powder. And that goes into the bowl. Then we have flour. And then we have the sugar. Oh, can I help you?
Yeah. Now you open that latch.
There we go. There we go. Okay, you pull the one side, I'll pull the other side. I just don't want it on the floor. You pull the one side. There we go. Okay. Into the bowl. Okay. That's all the dry ingredients. And is it good? Okay. So now we're going to go to the wet ingredients. Okay. So we start with 2 eggs. Break it open. That's it. That's it. Well done. And give me the shell. Okay, the eggs go into the orange bowl. That's it. All right. Then we add the milk. Oh, there's the milk, sorry. The milk. Good. Then we add the oil. Careful. Then we add the butter. And last we add the... Oh, oopsie, hold on. Then lastly, we add 5 ml of vanilla essence. Okay, great.
And we need...
Okay, and now we're going to beat it until it's mixed. So...
Do you like my chef hat?
It's very cool.
Yeah.
You're a real chef, eh? Now we must mix it nicely until it's completely mixed.
Completely mixed.
Is it completely mixed? Oh, well done. Okay, now we're going to put the wet mixture into the dry mixture. Well done. And then you're going to mix it until it's completely mixed. You need to mix it nicely till it's completely mixed. Well done. Sure, Des, you're doing such a great job. Do you need help?
No, I don't need help.
You don't need help. And then, just for some color, we want green cupcakes. We're going to pour some green food coloring in. Now you need to stir that. Give that to me. Thank you. Now you need to stir that. And you need to make sure that it mixes evenly throughout.
I'm mixing.
You're doing such a great job. Oh wow, look at that. It's looking amazing, hey?
Yeah.
Now we're going to spoon. We're going to take a big spoon and we're going to spoon into the cups. Okay. Equal amounts into each cup so that hold on, I'm going to give you a spoon so that we can make 12. How's that taste?
Good.
Is it nice? Do you like your cupcakes, Chef?
Yeah.
Okay, watch Mom. I'm going to show you. Okay, you're going to take a spoon like that. Okay, and you're going to spoon it into the cup.
Okay.
Okay, just like that. And we're going to get some into each cup. All right.
Okay.
How's that sound?
Good.
Okay, can you hold the spoon for me? Okay. Hold on, wait. Please do it with your right hand.
Well, okay.
Okay, you can give me that. You can lick the rest off later. Okay. All right. Okay, into each cup, eh?
This cup.
Okay, you're going to do all of them. And you can use your finger to take the rest off of the... There we go. Well done. Is it delicious? Is that so yum?
Down.
Okay. You must make sure that you put enough in each cup, hey? Okay, we're almost done. Just make sure that there's enough in each cup, hey?
Okay.
I think you're eating more than you're baking. What do you think? Is it so good?
Yeah.
Okay, come. Desi messes and Angie has to do the dishes. Hey?
I can't. Chef just clean the dishes.
Oh, Chef doesn't clean the dishes. Does Chef just cook?
Yeah, but the chef is always clean dishes.
Oh, do you? Okay. Okay. One more to go.
One more to go.
Okay, let's get all of them, all of the last bit into the last cup. There we go. Okay. Well done. Okay, Des, so what happens now? Where do we take the tray?
In the oven.
In the oven. For 12 minutes on 180 degrees.
And how can you put that on?
No, that's only once it's finished. We're going to ice it with sprinkles. But when it's done. Okay, so off it goes to the oven now. Tell the children they must remember to ask mom or dad to help them because the oven can burn them, hey? So they mustn't do that by themselves. So
I have to carry this.
you're going to carry it? Okay, and then mom's going to put it in the oven? Okay. Okay, we're going to the oven. All right. Okay, so stand still just there. Okay, careful, it's hot. Give it to me. And in it goes.
I'm going to sit on for 5 minutes.
Okay, now we need to put the timer for 12 minutes and then we will see.
And
Okay.
I will stay here forever.
Are you going to stay there until it's done?
Yep.
Okay. That's the clock. So it's ready.
Yeah.
And we press those 2 buttons. Wait, that one. And Des, what are we going to do now? What are we going to do? We're going to use the skewer to test them. Hey. Okay. So just wait because it's very hot. So give it to Mom. Let me try. It's very hot. Let me do it, please.
And after you do, I want to do all of it. Okay?
Okay. Let me just see. I think it's ready.
Yeah, but
so,
I want to stick all of it.
okay, you can stick them when they're out. Okay. Get out the way for me so I can take them out. Mom has to put my glove on. Hey. Take it out. Oh, they got a little bit brown. I think maybe that was a little bit long. Oh, they look perfect. Look how beautiful they look.
I'm putting this glove on.
Are you putting that glove on? Let me see. And there's the cake for Opa's birthday.
Okay.
Hey, we've been very busy today, and we must come stand on your step. And careful, the oven is still hot. Okay, and don't touch the pan because it's very hot. So you're going to check each one like this.
Okay.
Let me show you.
Okay.
Let me just show you.
Oh, okay.
Like that. Okay, don't break them. That's it. And you know how we know they're ready? When there is, look here, nothing on the skewer.
Skewer.
Yeah. If there's still dough on it, then we know they need to be baked a little bit more. Look there. They're all ready. So now what we need to do is we need them to leave them to cool down. Okay, don't ruin them.
I'm not doing it.
Okay, that one's very brown, hey. Baked a little bit more. I think the oven was maybe a little bit hot because we baked other stuff. Perfect stuff. Okay, good stuff. So, we're going to leave them to cool, and when they cool, we're going to ice them.
Yeah, but thank you, OhCrumbs, for this cake.
For the cupcake kit.
Cupcake kit.
Was it fun baking, Des?
Yes, it's fun. Ah!
And you did it all by yourself?
Yep, because and Mama did. I'm going to do it by myself.
Hey, because you're a chef.
I'm a chef.
A kiddie chef.
Yeah.